Changing your password on Crunchyroll is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider changing it regularly for added security.